Hello, welcome everyone to my video. So today I will be showing a new method by which we could control both weeds as well as to maintain our crops healthy by using these weeds. So let us start with the introduction. So we know every plant will get infected by some kind of microorganisms or any other pest, but a minimum level of infection is doesn't cause any problems to these plants. But whenever these infections start affecting the performance of the plants, then it is the time that we have to start providing management over these infections. So this is similar in the case of the weeds also. We know they tend to absorb the required nutrients and water that is being provided to our crops, and we know that these crops require water and nutrient during the different stages of their growth so that they could perform well, provide the yield, etc. So here I will be going to present you a new method by which we can transform the weeds that are growing around our crops, how we can convert them into a useful compost which could also be used as a potential pesticide. So now let's move on to the preparation of the weed compost. This weed, called as the corn grass or Mary grass with scientific name Ceteria barbata, is used for the preparation of compost. Researchers have proven that this weed could be used both as a compost and possess pesticidal effects commonly found in Trivandrum. So we have to remove both the root section as well as the flowers and cut them into small pieces. Now for the preparation of the compost, we have three ingredients. These are tamarind, salt and jaggery. For 2.5 kg of the grasses, we have to add 20 grams of tamarind, 20 grams of salt and 20 grams of jaggery should be added along with it. Mix the ingredients in 10 liters of water properly. Now stir the mixture daily for 3 weeks and strain it and directly apply them into the plants. This is how they look after 3 weeks of constant stirring and closed storage. After it, strain them properly and spray all over the plant. So this weed compost can be used as both a compost as well as a pesticide. The pesticidal actions have been discovered after carrying out different research activities over the extract that has been produced by means of the before mentioned practices. So mainly the reactions are most commonly or most effectively found in the case of the cowpea, and we know these cowpeas are infected by several kinds of pests like both soil-borne many foliage diseases like powdery mildew as well as certain leaf spots. So what we have to do is that either we could spray them throughout the plant or else while during the time of planting for each seeds it is recommended to use 5 gram of AMF, which is a friendly fungi, along with spraying of this weed compost at the 30th, 45th as well as the 60th day of planting of the cowpea. So it is not only in the case of cowpea where we could use it as a potential pesticide, but also in the case of the paddy. So we know this paddy, they are affected by several kinds of diseases like the sheath blight as well as the leaf spots. So these are also found to be effective in the case of preventing or controlling the diseases to a certain level by means of spraying this extract. So from this we could understand that this is a dual purpose extract which can be used both as a compost as well as pesticide that could be produced within our home itself. So this will be ideal for any kind of kitchen gardens where you could utilize all the natural resources rather than relying on the chemical pesticides as well as the fertilizers. Thank you.